Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about some problems on kinematic synthesis. To solve problems on kinematic synthesis, we have some methods, and the method we are going to discuss right now is synthesis by path generation for four-link mechanism. The problem is design a four-link mechanism to coordinate the following three positions of Kepler point. The positions are given with respect to the coordinate axis. R1 is equal to 55 mm, R2 is equal to 70 mm, R3 is equal to 75 mm, and angles are alpha 1 is equal to 75 degrees, alpha 2 is equal to 50 degrees, alpha 3 is equal to 40 degrees using path generation technique of synthesis. The angular displacement of the input links are theta 1 2 is equal to 30 degrees and theta 1 3 is equal to 70 degrees. Now uh, draw a suitable length representing a fixed link in the 4-bar mechanism. Now draw represent left side end as A, and now draw three coupler points. Those lengths are given as 55, 70 and 75 mm respectively, and angles are given as 75, 50 and 40 degrees respectively. So these are the points E1, E2, E3 as mentioned above and drawn like this, joining A. Now taking A as center, rotate E2 and E3 points to a location E2 dash and E3 dash. Those are that is E2 is rotated by an angle of 30 degrees, which reaches to E2 dash, and E3 is rotated by an angle of 70 degrees, which reaches to E3 dash. And now draw mid normals for E1, E2, E2 dash, and E1 and E3 dash. Those perpendicular by mid normals meet at a point B1, and draw a line joining B1 and A. Now rotate this AB1 by an angle of 30 degrees and 70 degrees, and label them as B2 and B3 in counter clockwise direction. Sorry, clockwise direction. And after getting B points B2 and B3, now we have to construct triangles B2, E2 and D1, taking point D1 as the end of the fixed link, and also triangle B3, E3 and D1. Now taking these two triangles as reference, we have to build similar triangles on the base B1, E1, uh, and B1, E1, D3 is similar to B3, E3, D1. B1, E1, D2 is similar to B2, E2, D1. Now we are, after getting D3 and D2 points, we have to draw perpendicular bisectors, I mean mid normals. These mid normals would join at a point C1. Now taking C1, we have to join A, join it to B1 and join it to D1. These A, B1, C1, D1 is the required 4-bar mechanism, four link mechanism.